for strawberry Jambuie, we need 4 pounds of strawberries, 3 cups of sugar, 6 tablespoons of pectin, a 1/2 cup of lemon juice, and 1 1/2 cups of Drambuie. Alright, so first I'm going to put in the pectin. Before I even start heating it, I'm going to throw in the pectin and vigorously stir it so that we don't have any lumps. And before we add the heat, turn on the heat, we're also going to add our lemon juice and our Drambuie.
What's Drambuie?
It's an alcohol. So we're going to get this to a rolling boil. Then we will add our sugar, bring it back to a rolling boil, keep it there for a minute, and then it's done. You do want to make sure you stir regularly because scorched jam is garbage and sad. Alright, Jambuie is getting closer to that rolling boil. It's not quite there yet. You can see around the edges where it's starting to get, over there, starting to get close to a boil, but when I stir it's disrupted, so it is really not there yet. GoPro got a little bit hot, so I've switched over to my cell phone temporarily while the GoPro chills, literally in the freezer. So this one is, the Drambuie is back to that nice rolling boil. The stirring doesn't disrupt it, so I'm going to go ahead and set its timer, 1 minute. So most commercial pectins are designed to be activated at a certain temperature with a certain amount of sugar. Please excuse my dog, she's very disturbed about something. Dovey! Meow! It's not needed. So you get it to a certain temperature and then you maintain it for a period of time, 1 minute, for most dry pectins. I haven't used liquid pectins, so I'm not sure quite how that one works. I'm going to turn this down, I don't want it to boil over. That would be a disgusting mess. And so you maintain it there, and then you'll get your proper gel. Get out of here. So you maintain it at that temperature with the designated amount of sugar for a certain period of time, and you'll be able to get a proper gel. If you don't use enough sugar for a pectin that requires sugar or requires more sugar, then you're not going to get a proper set unless you mess with it in a different way. There are ways to make jams without pectin, but they require more sugar, and you can kind of combine the techniques to make lower sugar jams using commercial pectin. It's a little bit more futzy, but it can be done. Here we got our Jambuie. Putting it in jars. Listening to the whiny Sheltie in the background. Oops, I need a spoon. I don't have a spoon. That needs a little bit more. Too much headspace is just as bad as too little headspace. Name.